Hey Math 31, Miss Abreu here. I wanted to take a moment and give you a quick little tour of our Canvas course. This is our homepage. I will update this every week. Right now you can see there's the welcome letter on it. If you scroll towards the bottom of this, you will see a little link here. If you want to meet me at my virtual office hour, just click on this link. The green button will take you to your current module, or any of these blue buttons will take you either to modules, assignments, or quizzes. I'm going to scroll back up. You could also get to modules, assignments, and quizzes over here in the course navigation menu. And in a little bit later video, I'll take some time and look at modules. Right now, I just want to unpack files for a bit. And as I'm waiting for this to click, I would really encourage you to just take a few minutes and click around this Canvas course and see what resources you have available to you. And my internet might be down. Wait for it. I'm going to click this one more time. Cool. There it is. Okay. All right. So over here you see we've got class handouts by chapter. We're going to spend a little bit of time looking into that folder, but I want to show you this file right here. Here is your book. We're going to use an open source book, which means it's free. It doesn't cost you anything, but you want to go ahead and download that onto your device just so you have it ready to go. Don't leave it up on the cloud. But I do want to go into class handouts by chapter. So these are the chapters we're going to go over. I'm going to just click on chapter 2 because that's the first chapter we will start with. These first two files in here are lecture packets. So I know this class is hybrid, but if it were face-to-face, I would pass these packets out and we would work on the examples in class. So when we do meet face-to-face, I'll have these packets for you, but just make sure that you have them when you're at home watching the lecture videos. And I'll explain a little bit more of the lecture videos in a bit. So put a pin in lecture videos and we'll come back to that. So these first two files are the blank packets. All right, so again, that's what I would have passed out in class. Now, these are for chapter 2 overall, so all 7 sections are in these first 2 chapters. These next 2 files are your homework solutions and then the lecture key. And when you hear me say lecture key, that's all of the lecture notes, but with my answers written in. So you have written answers should you want to use that as a resource. And then you might be saying like, hey, you gave us the homework answers? Yeah, I did. It's not here for you to copy. That's not what I'm hoping you'll use these for. I'm hoping you'll use these and look at how I did the problems and compare them to how you might have done the problems, or help you get unstuck should you get stuck. Keeping in mind that you're absolutely allowed to still email me or reach out in any way and I'll help you with a problem. Because sometimes the solutions aren't enough. And that's fine. Then just ask for help. I'm happy to help. So that's what we have going on here in files. Blank lecture packets, homework solutions, lecture with the answer filled in. Next sections, homework solutions, lecture with the answers filled in. Right? So under this files, you'll spend a lot of time in class handouts by chapter. You'll probably also spend some time in the sample midterm, sample final, and their answers. And again, like I said before, I would really encourage you to just click around and see what options and what resources you have. All right, so with that, I'm gonna kick out of this video. If you've got any questions, shoot me an email, stop me after class, come by my office hours, come by my virtual office hours. All right, and we'll get your questions answered. Thanks so much, gang. I look forward to working with you. See ya. Bye.